Imagine a world where no single person or institution controls your money, data, or identity, where everything is transparent, secure, and traceable. That world is powered by a revolutionary technology, blockchain. But what exactly is blockchain? How does it work? And why is it changing industries across the globe, from finance to healthcare to art? In this video, we're going to break it all down in a fun, simple way. No tech jargon, just crystal clear explanations. Let's dive into the world of blockchain. Let's start with the basics. A blockchain is simply a chain of blocks, digital blocks that store information. Each block contains three key things: data, a unique fingerprint called a hash, the hash of the previous block. This creates a secure chain that's nearly impossible to tamper with. Think of it like a digital ledger that's shared across thousands of computers around the world. No single point of control. Total transparency. Let's say Alice wants to send 1 Bitcoin to Bob. Here's what happens behind the scenes. The transaction is broadcast to the network. It's verified by nodes, computers, on the blockchain. Once verified, it's added to a block. That block is then added to the chain forever. This process is fast, secure, and does not need a bank or middleman. So why is blockchain so secure? It's all thanks to three things: cryptography, consensus mechanisms, decentralization. Cryptography ensures each transaction is encrypted. Consensus ensures everyone agrees on the state of the blockchain. And decentralization means there's no single point of failure. It's like having thousands of CCTV cameras watching every move, making it nearly impossible to cheat the system. Did you know there are different types of blockchains? Public blockchains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, open to everyone. Private blockchains, used by businesses. Consortium blockchains, a hybrid controlled by a group. Hybrid blockchains, combining public transparency with private control. Each type has its own strengths and ideal use cases. Smart contracts are a game changer. They're self-executing contracts with code-based rules. No need for lawyers or middlemen. Just, if this happens, then do that. For example, a smart contract can release payment only after goods are delivered. This is automation and trust, coded directly into the blockchain. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's being used in supply chains, track goods in real time. Healthcare, store patient data securely. Voting, enables secure digital elections. Real estate, simplify ownership records. NFTs, create digital art with ownership. The possibilities are endless. Blockchain is still in its early days. Imagine a future with fully decentralized internet, transparent governments, and instant, global payments. But we also face challenges: scalability, energy usage, and regulation. Still, one thing's clear: blockchain is here to stay, and it's shaping the future of trust, transparency, and technology. So now you know how blockchain technology works, from blocks and hashes to smart contracts and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want us to dive deeper into any specific topic. This is just the beginning of the decentralized revolution.